Hi there, I'm Elliot and I'm the owner here at Els Auto Care. First off, I want to thank you all for the views and subscriptions that I've had over the past few years, and I'm very grateful for the support that you all offered me, and all the likes, comments, shares, whatever the different things that you do. I'm very grateful for that. I'm quite aware that over the Christmas period I haven't posted quite often, and something I'm going to try to do throughout the new year with the channel is to inject a bit more personality in it. So I've decided for something to do for me to get to know you a bit better and for you to get to know me a little bit better is I will be hosting a live Q&A that will start tomorrow, Friday the 17th of January, around the 9:30 mark, give or take, how well the kids go to bed. But I want to ask a couple of questions before that happens. So I want you to be, if you could you leave some comments in the comment section below, because what that will do will allow me to prepare if needed. Obviously, if you have a vehicle specific fault or anything like that, it will give me a chance to check technical data or any repair bulletins or anything like that. Also, it doesn't have to be repair based on the vehicle. You can ask me any sort of questions, maybe about how I run my business, how long I've been qualified, how long I've been working on cars, how long I've been in business, and the various different things, whatever. There's no limit to what you ask me. All I ask is that you leave those comments and you please attend. So this is sort of your heads up, your 5-minute warning. It will be happening tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing you all there. If it goes successfully, hopefully we can make it a regular thing. Right, well, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers guys, bye.